video on understanding carbon footprint fact. A carbon footprint is an indicator that represents the amount of greenhouse gases that emit directly or indirectly of specific activity.
Hi Fifi, what are you doing?
Hi Taufi, I am recording about carbon footprint.
What is carbon footprint and what is it important?
The term carbon footprint is how much carbon goes into the air because something is done by people, not by nature. Those gases in our atmosphere that trap and release heat and contribute to climate change.
What is it? What is the main cause of the carbon footprint?
The major contributors to carbon footprint are food consumption, transportation, and household energy. Food is major contributor to carbon footprint. Meat in particular is an issue. Livestock is responsible of a significant amount of greenhouse gas emissions, and beef is one of the biggest contributors.
How does carbon affect the environment?
Without carbon dioxide, Earth's nature greenhouse effect would be weak to keep the average global surface temperature above freezing. By adding more carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, people are supercharging the nature's greenhouse effect, causing global temperature to rise.
Why is it important to reduce carbon footprint?
By reducing our carbon footprint, we can reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. The common way to reduce the carbon footprint of humans is reduce, reuse, recycle, and refuse. Another easy option is to drive less, use less air conditioning and heating at home. Eat less heavily processed food and packages. Food that are major contributors to high carbon diet.
That is very useful fact. I drink a lot today. Tell Fifi I should start now to reduce, reuse, recycle, and refuse. Bye.